Hello everybody, so this is my video on how to manually update the Android 4.3 OTA update. If you're tired of waiting for it coming over the air and just want to update it quickly, so here's a quick and really easy way. It's really easy and it's really great way. There's no harm in damaging the device in any way. So as you can see here, this is my Nexus 7 and it's running Android version 4.2.2 and I'll show with the build number JDQ39. And now I'll show you how to update it to 4.3 Jellybean. So guys, first step you have to do is download the SDK from Google's website over here. So you click on the download button and then you accept the license and you choose what bit system you have and you press the download button. I've already downloaded it, so here's the folder. It'll be ADT bundle Windows x86 blah 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 blah. So what you have to do is open the WinRAR file and extract all three files into a specified folder, whichever one you want. And after it's done extracting, then you have to run the SDK manager.exe. So it's going to be extracting right now. So once it's done extracting the SDK manager.executable file, so you're going to go on the Android SDK manager. So over here you're going to select all the tools, Android 4.3, Android 4.2.2, and all the extras. If you want, you can also install the other ones, but these are mostly for just developing apps. So after that, you click on install 14 packages or whatever amount of packages you have, and then you accept the licenses for each and every one. Make sure you accept each one, because then you have to keep on installing. So it's better if you just do it once in one go. After that, click on accept license and install. I've already done it, so I'll show you what happens after that. Then after you've done extracting it and you've kept it onto a folder, so what you do is that, so like I kept my all over here in the folder. So you double click on SDK, go on to platform tools, and this is the folder in which you're going to do most of the work. So the next step that you have to do is you have to click on shift and right click in that folder, and then you click on open command window here. After that, you go on to you type in ADB ADB devices and click on enter. If it displays list of devices attached and then a serial number and then device, that means your ADB is correctly set up and it's working. Then after that, you have to type ADB reboot recovery and press in enter. Wait for a few seconds for the device to reboot into recovery. Okay, so as soon as you do ADB reboot recovery, you're gonna come over here with an Android logo with an exclamation mark. Don't panic, it's just a stock recovery. So what you have to do is you have to send it a command. So to do that, you're gonna press the power button and the volume up button at the same time once. But it might not work in the first try, so you do it 2 or 3 times. But do not keep pressing it, just press it at once for just 1 second. So there. So as soon as you come up, a menu comes up over here and it has reboot system now, apply update from ADB, and some other options. What we're going to do is we're going to go on apply update from ADB, and you select it with the power button. After you select it, it's going to display a message that now send the package you want to apply, and for that you're going to go back to the PC. Okay, so after you've selected apply update from ADB, you're going to come onto your computer and you're going to select the folder, the file which you selected, which you downloaded, and you're going to paste it over here in SDK platform tools. Just copy and paste it. So, and here is the file I just pasted here. The name's going to be something really long. So what you want to do is just rename it to something easy. It's just like the build number JWR66V.zip. No need to keep the .zip in the name. It automatically adds it. After you're done that, you're going to come onto the command prompt and then you're going to type, so you're going to type in ADB sideload and then space, the name of the file, JWR66V.zip, and you're just going to press in enter. And then it's going to send, so you can see over here, it's sending, it's showing how much percentage. After that's done, it's going to display it on the device. So I'll come back when it's done sending it. Okay, so we're at 93% and we're waiting for it to complete. It's about a file of 50 megabytes, so it's not going to take much time. And once it's done, that's it. You can press the X button over here and close the command prompt, and then you just go back onto your tablet. So as you can see, it's patching the unneeded files, patching the system files, and at the bottom over here, there is a little blue bar, which is really faint, but you can see the progress. And so we're just going to be waiting for it to happen. So I'll just come back when it's about almost done. So as you can see, now it's patching system files and boot files. It's almost done. Just going to write it and install from A to B complete. And now we come back to this menu. Now all you have to do is just go on reboot system now. Press the power button once and it'll reboot the device. You can remove the USB now. And that's it. It's gonna just upgrade the apps and you have Android 4.3 Jellybean manually over-the-air update directly from Google. And this tablet was not rooted. It had a locked bootloader, so it's completely stock. So there's no like root access or anything. So if you have a rooted device or an unlocked bootloader and you try this method, it might not work and you could maybe just as well break your device. So make sure that your device is having a locked bootloader and it is not rooted, meaning it's unrooted. It's just stock recovery and stock ROM. Everything's just stock, just like from Google. And over here you can see Android is upgrading, optimizing app 3 of so on. And that's just about it. So catch me in my next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And to let me know if you want help in any other type of tutorials or reviews or anything. A lot more is going to be coming up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.